Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. And you will see that I do have a pattern set here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So to get started, we will need a computer for this and a cable that can plug into your device. So it's already connected to the computer, so I'm just going to plug it in now. There we go. As you can see, it shows us that it's charging, disregard anything else. And from here, we want to turn off our device now, because we do have a pattern that, as an example, some of us might not know. We will do this by forcibly rebooting the device, which is done by holding power key and volume down. Now, when holding those keys, you do want to interact with the display just so you can see when the phone actually turns off. So let's hold it right now. And as you can see, it pops us up with this, ignore it. Turns off, switch to volume up, so power key and volume up. And as you can see, there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. So from here we can unplug the device, because that's all we needed the cable for. And I'm gonna now scroll down using volume keys in order to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, and select second option. For some reason it's in Russian for me, so yeah, just a second option, the same way as you did before. Confirm it with power key. It will give you formatting data and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So all you need to do is press power key once again, and this will now continue the process in the background. Now this will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.